How to buy distribute token. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. So before going on buy this token, make sure to check the next account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on the screener. It created 1 hour ago and increased by 4000% in last 24 hours. The liquidity share unlocked by 99%, that's meaning your investment in the safe place. This token also trending number 3 in the Solana section. To be able to buy this token, it's easy and simple. Click here to copy the token address, open your funds you might for that. Click here on swap, make sure that you have enough Solana in your wallet. Now click here and paste the token address. As you can see, this is our token, click on it and here type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive. After that, select provider, for example Jupiter, and make sure to read all of this information here. Click on stop and you will be able to redirect to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So if you face an issue, go back to this page and switch the slippage from here. As you can see, or custom it, because most of the issues came from the slippage, and after that you can go and buy this token. So this is how to buy distribute token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.